Alright, so once I put in a big value here, it should be, the clock should be darker, so I'm gonna put like 180. Then refresh the clock. Much better. Oh, hello there, welcome back, new video. So I'm gonna show you how I record my videos. So this is the Bandicam settings I use. I basically just use this ultra fast setting for 60 FPS preset. So what's this preset is, it's using something called MPEG. So what it is taking pictures every single 60 divided by 1 second. So every time we'll just take screenshots of JPEG, but it's gonna be in a smaller size. It's a really lossless way to do it, and it won't lag. I swear it won't lag. And for video, I'll set it to full size, so it's gonna be the size of the display here of the Roblox, and I use game capture instead of most of you display capture here. It'll, if you record, it can lag, but this will reduce the lag. So yeah, need to use that. And the thing I'm using to record right now is OBS. It's a nice thing to use for streaming, but sometimes I use it for recording. And for this, oh frick, I should have not set my time zone to that. But yeah, that's how I record videos. Goodbye.